Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Make a Personal Portfolio Using Canva in 2025. So make sure you will have logged in, and in the search bar of templates, you will just have to type portfolio. So just enter. So right now you will see these are the all portfolio categories. So you will just have to select it the any of portfolio like this. Just tab it, and after deciding you just have to tab for customize this template. So how it make a personal portfolio? First of all, you'll just have to enter your name. After, you'll just have to tell about yourself. And in your profile, you'll just have to add your education, your skill, your work experience, or senior designer. So after, you'll just have to create all it, and you'll just also have to remove it. And you will just have to add from here, from the desktop, any of picture of yours. And after all set, you'll just have to choose only one page or second one for more attractive. So after you'll just have to create your and you'll just have to tap on share button. So from here you'll just have to download it. So that's it. In this way you will just make a personal portfolio using Canva. That's it.